In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay monthly with Amazon. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, start by opening your web browser and entering the address for Amazon. When you reach the home page of Amazon, notice that the website is designed to be user-friendly and inviting. Take a moment to observe the navigation options offered at the top of the page. This familiar interface is where you will begin your journey by adjusting your payment settings. Once you are on the Amazon homepage, locate the section labeled with the words Account and Lists. This option is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Moving your cursor over or clicking on this area will reveal a drop-down menu that contains several helpful options. It is important to know that Account and Lists serves as a central hub for managing your profile, payment methods, and subscriptions. This intuitive area is where you will transition to customizing your membership settings. After accessing the Account and Lists menu, direct your attention to the region that covers your subscriptions. In this section, you will find the option titled Memberships and Subscriptions. Selecting this area brings you one step closer to managing the way you pay for your chosen Amazon services. The website organizes these options in a straightforward manner, making it easy to locate the various services that you use on a regular basis. Within memberships and subscriptions, look for another clear option labeled Other Subscriptions. This is the space where Amazon lists subscriptions that might not be immediately prominent. By clicking on Other Subscriptions, you can view a comprehensive list of your current subscriptions that might include various services and plans that have automatic payments set to be renewed periodically. Within the list of subscriptions, choose a subscription that you wish to modify for monthly payment. The interface is designed in such a way that every subscription is easy to read and select. As you click on the subscription you want to adjust, you are preparing to change its payment plan. This action is both straightforward and significant, as it enables you to manage your finances and decide on the best payment structure for your needs. In this process, you will be looking specifically at the Prime plan, which is one of the most popular subscriptions on Amazon. After selecting your preferred subscription from the menu, locate the Prime plan option. The website clearly signals which plans are available, and the Prime plan is often highlighted due to its popularity and benefits. When you click on the Prime plan, you will be taken to a detailed view of its payment options, where you can seamlessly move to the next adjustment. Now that you have selected the Prime plan, you need to reveal further options by interacting with the drop-down icon. Clicking on this icon will display additional settings and payment options related to the Prime plan. This small interactive element on the screen is designed to show you more details without cluttering the interface. Once the drop-down menu has been activated, you will see a range of payment frequency choices. Look specifically for the monthly payment option among the choices provided. Selecting monthly will change the billing cycle for the Prime plan to a month-to-month basis, allowing you to manage your subscription in accordance with your budgeting preferences. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up your Amazon subscription to be billed on a monthly basis. This method ensures that you can enjoy all the benefits of the Prime plan while maintaining greater control over your monthly expenditures. Enjoy the simplicity and flexibility of monthly payments with Amazon.